There is renewed concern about the safety of workers in the country's penal facilities in the wake of yesterday's incident in which a correctional officer was reportedly stabbed by a prisoner at the Tower Street Adult Correctional Center in Kingston. An inmate was also injured in the melee. Their injuries are not considered life-threatening. The University and Allied Workers Union, UAWU, which represents some of the categories of correctional officers, is worried that there could be security gaps at correctional facilities. First Vice President of the UAWU, Clifton Grant, is urging the authorities to implement additional measures to ensure the workers' safety.
The safety of employees, especially correctional officers, is critical, and in their discharging their duties, they need to be so given the support to discharge their duties in an effective and efficient manner. It's a very challenging job that they are engaged in, and we really sympathize with the officer who got hurt. And we're hoping that the investigation will be done in a speedily manner, so that everybody can know exactly what took place, so that the necessary measures can be put in place to ensure that we don't have a recurrence.
The Department of Correctional Services says yesterday's incident occurred during a routine check of a cell at the prison.